What's up, everyone? Today we've got our first look at the upcoming Sony Xperia VIII, the next-gen flagship from Sony set to debut in mid-2026. It's all about top-tier performance, pro-grade cameras, and that signature cinematic experience. Let's dive in. Sony typically launches its Xperia I series around May or June, and industry insiders suggest the Mark VIII will follow that pattern, hitting global markets mid-2026. As always, expect an official reveal event a few weeks before that. On the design front, the Xperia VIII sticks with Sony's trademark rectangular form but refines it: sharper edges, flat 6.5 to 6.7 inches OLED display, and minimal bezels. Rumors also point to Bravia HDR remaster and sunlight mode tech for maximum clarity outdoors. Likely the latest LTPO panel with dynamic refresh up to 120Hz and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection, just like the previous model. Under the hood, expect the new Snapdragon 8 Elite platform, formerly known as Gen 4, with at least 12GB RAM, UFS 4.0 storage, and the usual Xperia vapor chamber cooling for sustained performance. Sony will double down on its camera strengths. The Mark VII already had a 48 megapixels main, 48 megapixels ultrawide, and 12 megapixels periscope zoom. The 8 is expected to keep this trio but polish them further with improved sensors, faster lenses, and refined alpha-level processing. Pro app unification, think alpha-style control, is likely to stay, making it a photographer's dream. The Xperia VIII will likely stick with a solid 5000 mAh battery, with fast 30W wired charging, 15W wireless charging, and Sony's adaptive battery care that helps longevity. Audio lovers will be thrilled. Expect front stereo speakers, full-size headphone jack, high-res audio codecs, 360 reality audio support, and Walkman-inspired circuitry for high-quality sound. Also look for IP65, IP68 water resistance and Sony's game enhancements like PS5 Remote Play. If you're a content creator or cinephile who prioritizes camera control, media consumption, and audio quality, the Xperia VIII is shaping up to be unmatched in the Android world. So that's our early first look at the Sony Xperia VIII, expected mid-2026. Sleek design, pro-level cameras, powerhouse internals, brilliant audio. A true cinema-grade flagship. Drop a comment. What feature are you most excited about? And if you're all about premium content capture, smash that like button. Like if you're impressed by Sony's consistency. Subscribe for specs deep dives, hands-on previews, and launch coverage.